Then I had to sit and really think about what is going on in my life. I felt the weight of the world for me to do great.
Hey 1428 family, this is Dondre Brown, here to bring you some more information that can help you invest in your family, your finances, and your future. Here to drop some more investing videos because I'm learning so much in the market. Again, I started a year ago. I wasn't as intentional. I really wasn't paying that much attention. But now, as I'm learning more from YouTubers, learning more from the news, learning more from individual videos, listening to Warren Buffett, the likes of Warren Buffett, things like that. I'm learning so much about the stock market. I'm also learning how to manage my emotions in the stock market, build momentum, and then increase my money. So one of the things I've noticed about the stock market, especially in like the last week, is that EV stocks have kind of been down, right? But there are other stocks that have really started to take off, right? And those are your biotech stocks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you 2 biotech stocks that you should definitely consider. If not, put on your watch list, load up in shares, because these stocks have the potential to double, if not triple. Let's jump in. So what I like to do is go to my phone. Let's jump on Robinhood real quick and take a look at my portfolio right now. I'm down $465 on the day. On the week, I'm down $1,400 on the month. I'm up $444. Again, I remember I was shooting videos a couple months ago. I was up like $1,700, $2,300. I'm like, this is great. But if you look at just my year in general, I've had down and up days, and those things happen in the market, right? In August, I was down. This is when I really wasn't paying any attention. I just had money in the market and I didn't know what was going on. And then I started to go up. I really wasn't paying this any attention. So again, I'm used to the down and upward trend of the market, right? Things are going to happen. But what you have to do is look at your portfolio and see how you can establish solid positions, no matter if it's an up or a down day in the market. Sometimes if it's down, that's your chance to go in. Sometimes if it's up, you might want to take some profit. But again, you definitely want to start to engage more in your shares and determine if you're a long term on some plays or if you're a short term, because that's going to show you how much you sleep at night or if you decide to take profit. But let's jump into, I want to give you an example of a company, a biotech company that took off last week. So Greenwich Life Sciences. So this stock currently is down $9.20 today, but then after hours, additional $2.05. Last week, this company was up $739 or 739%. And one of the things that helped this company increase that much was because they had positive results to some breast cancer treatment, right? So that in itself drove this stock crazy. I remember when I was talking to a friend, it was like at $76 per share. I was like, it's not going to go up. It ended up going to, I think, like 158 within that day. So let's see what the low was. The low was, can't remember what the low was that day, but the high was, yeah, that 158 mark. So you can imagine the people that invested into this stock and would allow them to win. I will say some people probably invested in this and didn't know when to get out. So they probably seen their money go up. And then as you see now, it's back down to $44, right? So at the same time, you do have opportunity to take profit, but you have to learn when to pull your profit or what to do with it. And again, if people have suggestions about that, go into the comment section and let us know. But that is always a question that I started to think about when I started to see major profit. I'm like, do I let this sit? Is this a long-term play? But then I realized, depending on my plays, long-term or short-term, depending on how much and when I took my profit. So again, take that information for what it is. But the other thing is, one of the things, again, biotech stock are starting to take off. So I'm going to show you 2 of them. The first one is ticker symbol TGTX. TG Therapeutics. So this stock is currently sitting at $43. Let's look at how it's done on the week. It's up 58%. On the month, 46%. 3 months, 64%. And look at it this past year, it's up 319%. This stock is also focusing on treatment as well. It's 100% buy due to some analysts. as well as it focuses on acquisition, development, and commercialization of novel treatment of B cell malignancies and autoimmune diseases. So you have a lot of these companies who are looking for cures, treatment, etc., right? And some of these companies are on the cusp of finding those things. So what you want to do is do your due diligence to see how these companies are doing. One of the things I tell people is these companies have a lot of room to run, but they're highly volatile because they're dependent upon certain key approvals of their drugs, right? So let's say they have some okay results, but they're not able to get certain approvals. Then that's going to reflect in their shares, right? Whether they receive profit or they start to have a downturn. So you want to keep those things in mind and stay abreast to some of the research. And some of the ways I do that, again, is by going to things like tip ranks, seeing what some analysts have to say. Right now, some analysts are saying that the high in this would be up to $63, right? The average would be $54, and on the low end, $47, right? So this stock definitely has some room to run, and again, that's going to be dependent upon some of the current things that they have regarding trying to find positive results or trying to receive positive results on some of their treatments and tests. So again, definitely want to do some research on that company. The other company is, let's go back. It's BioXcel Therapeutics, ticker symbol BTAI. So another company currently sitting at $46. This company actually did good today. Let's see how it did on the week. It was down by some cents, down in a month, 3 months down. But look at it on the year, right? These are two stocks that have done really well over the years, up 567%, right? This is another company. Let's see what they do. Clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, which focuses on drug development. So they have two clinical development programs. They're BXCL501 and then another one. You definitely, again, want to see how these, the one thing that I'm learning about the biotech companies is that they'll tell you, or they'll kind of show you how things are going if you just do your research, right? Go into Google, look up these companies, dig into some of their reports, some of their test results. They'll kind of let you know how they're going to perform in the market. Because one of the things was, once I seen the company ticker symbol GSLI, when it went up, I was like, how do you find these type of companies? I was so confused because I was focused on EV and I was also focused on DoorDash and Airbnb, airlines. I really wasn't focused on biotech. Of course, I have Moderna in the health field, but that was about it. But again, that's why it's important to diversify your portfolio. You don't only want to be focused on one sector. You want to kind of broaden your horizons and then be able to have a portfolio that is able to, you know, ride the waves in the market and make sure that you can always have profit depending on how long you want to keep your stock. So again, I encourage you to take a look at these two companies. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be shooting a video pretty soon talking about how these companies continue to run up based on some of their results. But again, do your due diligence, do some research. Let me know in the comment section if there are other biotech stocks that we should look into, because again, these are on the cusp of having a good run up. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, follow me on social media. Always fill up the comment section. Let us know what's going on. Also, if you're new to the channel and you haven't invested yet, especially in Robinhood, click the link below. You get a free share. I get a free share. You can help the channel out. And then if you like things like this Investing is Dope shirt, my link is in the section too. You can go ahead and buy one of those shirts. Also, I have other fun investing shirts because I'm always trying to encourage people to embrace investing, not only investing in your finances, but your family, your finances, and your future. And if you like this video, best believe I'm going to be dropping another one. So I'll see you in the next one.